which is all right because I mean I beat my personal best with the shift kit stall. But as you see in the video, I was trying to feel out for the stall, and I was already staged, so my dumb ass already messed up. So my reaction time was a 1.6, which is horrendous. You know what I'm saying? So I got to do way better than that. Gotta do way better than that. I'm pretty sure I can break the 8.5s. I really want to do a good time before I go. I'll probably just do this run and then maybe another one if I'm feeling it. If the car is just not wanting to perform, then I'm definitely not going to keep going. But I feel like I got something in there that is just giving me a 8.50 or something like that, you know? But we're heading up over here. My girlfriend's going to record again. Sorry, I did have my camera. My girlfriend was going to have my camera. I was going to have the GoPro, but the camera, I forgot the damn SD card, so that's my fault on that.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so after that pass, I did a great job. I did an 8.3, and I'm going to show the ticket here, and I honestly think I could do an 8.2. However, I do have a really long drive back home. Traffic is going to be a B word, so I really don't want to drive the car too crazy. And yeah guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Shout out to my girlfriend for recording everything, and also the other races that were happening. The Mustang, bro, completely did better than what I thought it would do. I thought I would only do an 8.4, did an 8.3, and I honestly think I could do an 8.2. I hope you guys liked the video. I know I only did 2 races. I'm sorry, guys, but I really do hope you guys like the content. And there you go. I am a man of my word. I was gonna come and do a little, little race with the stall and the shift kit. So I hope you guys like it, and see you till the next time.